So the main purpose of this video is to explain just exactly the history of this channel. Originally, this project was taking a much different shape from how it's ended up. I had envisioned this to be much like the many YouTube video essays you can find, with a slightly more formal tone, a lot more emphasis on editing and, putting footage over footage and stuff. However, when I first came here from Malaysia, I had a very clever idea that I wasn't going to bring a computer with me because my university is quite well equipped with facilities that I could easily use to do work. I'd save myself the baggage space and the drama of if anything happened to my 10-year-old laptop. Then we ended up in a state where the university was closed and I could no longer go over to work on stuff. So now I'm stuck working with anything that I can do on an iPad. That being said, these videos have been produced trying to preserve the tone and the spirit of the original videos. However, they do lack the finish and the editing department that they would have originally had. If anything, it's a great exercise in working with what you have, not what you want.